Here you can view the menu which you uploaded in Homemade website on your dashboard. You can view all the items and also update their availability. For example, if you want to mark an item as unavailable, click the menu head and the category, and you can see all the item in the category. Here, for example, if I want to make bread omelette as unavailable, click the I button and select unavailable. Now this item is unavailable for the Foodies. And here, if you want to update its availability again, click the I button and click available so that it will be back to being available to the Foodies. Click the arrow button to go back. Thank you for choosing Homemade. Have a wonderful journey with us.